High Street Auctions is meer bekend vir eiendomme as motors, maar toe Kyalami resiesbaan donderdag onder die hamer gekom het, was daar nie 'n tekort aan motorentoesiaste nie. Die ikoniese resiesbaan was nommer 25 op die veilingslys, en die wat laat was, moes maar staan.
But at the back at 2,200,000 now. At 200, selling at 2,200,000, sir. 2,200,000 first call. At 2,200,000 now, second call. At 2,200,000 now. At 2,203. 2,003, Lance, you're in. At 2,300,000, it's not your bid, sir. 2,450, it's against you. 2,5, back on the phone. 2,5, 2,6, sir. 2 million. Sold, they've got a 2,800,000 rands. That lot is gone. We're sitting on approximately 72 hectares of special zoned land that happens to include an X-rated Formula One racetrack. Better known as the Kyalami racetrack. We're setting it now, ladies and gentlemen. I'm asking for an opening bid. An opening bid, ladies and gentlemen, 200 million. 200, haven't been ever selling it 222, haven't been ever selling it 2 now. At 200 million, haven't been ever selling it 200 million, sir. At 200 been ever 222, sir. We're lifting reserves. It's out. It's going now. At 200 million, haven't been ever 2, haven't 210, sir.
7 bidders het elk 4 miljoen rand betaal vir die voorreg om te kan bee op Kyalami. Toby Venter van Ducati en Porsche Suid-Afrika het per telefoon gebee uit Kaapstad.
2555 now. At 200 million, haven't been ever 222, selling it 2, sir. 20555. First call, ladies and gentlemen. That's once at 200 million. We'll give you a chance on the phone now. At 205, 20555. We'll slow at 5. 205, 210, sir. 205 million on the phone now. At 205, have it a bit of a 25, have it a 25, sir. At 205 million, have it a 210, sir. At 2, have it a 10, 10, 10, have it a 210 now. At 210 million, ladies and gentlemen, the reserve is off. We are selling the racetrack on the fall of the hammer. First call. At 205 million now. Second call. At 205 million. Third and 5, have it a 25. At 205, 5, have it no money in the corner, sir. Think faster, we will not lend you 5 million more, but you don't have it. At 2, have it telling it 2.5. 210 now. At 210, 10, have it a 210, sir. For 210 million. Going once. Going twice. At 205. It's against you, so it's not your bid. At 205 on the phone. 205, 5, have it a 205. For the Kyalami racetrack. At 205 million. Once. Twice. Third and final call, ladies and gentlemen. No for the bid, sir. Here's out. Phones in at 205. Third and final call, 205 million. All in, all done. Sold, 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 ladies and gentlemen. At 205 to the tenor on the right-hand side. Give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Kyalami is gone. To a man with a telephone. We'll find out now. Thank you for attending, ladies and gentlemen. If you'd like to join us outside.
Yes, we do. It is Porsche South Africa that were the successful bidder.
Teen 205 miljoen rand is dit die duurste eiendom wat nog op 'n veiling in Suid-Afrika verkoop is. Na afloop van verrigtinge was daar heelwat mense wat rede gehad het om te glimlag. En so hier en daar het iemand gewonder oor al die geld.